Hello everybody, this is going to be my unboxing of the Square CleanBottle. This was a Kickstarter project. As you can see, I have the orange raspberry with the 2 filter and 2 infuser package. Been waiting a few months for this, so I'm excited when I saw it in the mail. Some padding. So, as you can see, we've got 2 fast flow carbon filters. This was an add-on for the Square 2. We have the fruit infusers, and they also sold a dehydrated flavor pod pack that came as an extra. So here is the Square bottle itself. Holds 25 ounces. You can twist the lid off the bottom here for the filter, and then it just screws back on. Same thing with the top. Nice square shape so it doesn't roll all around. It's in one spot. And then I also got raspberry, or pink. They call it raspberry, but it's a pink color. Same concept, same 25 ounces. There's the infusing chamber. Just a clear plastic. And this actually sits inside of here. Then you pour your fruit in there. And put the lid on, and then you have flavored water after an hour or so. And then we'll check out the filters here. So this fast flow filter, so one filter will filter 40 gallons of water. Let's see if I can get that to focus here. So 40 gallons. Go ahead and open this up. So nothing special, just a very basic carbon foam filter, just like you'd find in any Brita system. Just push that in there, and then you can pour your water in, and then you put your cap on when you're all done. And there it is, the Square water bottle from Kickstarter.